So, just wanting to share my current thinking and progress about this creation of resources in Schoology for getting a 5 proficiency with distinction. So, I just put together this quick Google Doc about one of the examples that could be part of this collection. So, I'm thinking about having students mind map to show that they are synthesizing their thinking and making connections. So, the quick draft looks something like this. Here's the ideas. Basically, what is a mind map? Describing it, giving them ways to go ahead and do that, along with a little video tutorial if they want to go ahead and use the online tool. You can also obviously just draw it and then upload the picture too. So just again, a quick example. So the way that I'm imagining that this would work is I'm just in a play class right now, but I'd come into as the teacher if I were trying to create an assignment, and this might be the assignment we can use on Thursday as well. So just thinking of it that way. So I've created an assignment. It's imagining if we do something with the teachers on Thursday where we ask them to learn a new skill, like juggling or something, right? And then basically they would need to show that they've made progress using different strategies to get better at the skill. Notice I've attached the mindset scale as a way to go ahead and model assessing practices in Schoology like that. And to get the distinguished, this is the middle school scale, and it says that you need to actively seek out opportunities to clarify and deepen my understanding and knowledge. So if we would want these teachers doing whatever we're going to give them as a task to actively seek out opportunities, we want them to tell us about how they went ahead and did that, what strategies that they used. So one of the ways they could do that is, if they wanted to get a 5, notice that I've added instructions here. If you want to challenge yourself to meet the proficient with distinction mark on the scale, click on the file attached to see how you can create and share a mind map. So I've attached this, which is going to go out to that Google Doc that I shared. So to make this more clear, I'll show you how I did that. So I created the assignment, just what we would potentially call that, and then again modeling for teachers what they would do, typed in the instructions, and then I pulled, in order to get this file right here, from a resource bank. So this is what the teachers would do if they wanted to use our developed resource bank. Come into Schoology Resources. Right now I've only got it in my personal one just because I'm playing around, but we would want to go ahead and put it in the LSSU faculty group, I would imagine. Okay, I'm going to go back to my personal one now just to show what I'm thinking about. Here's what would be a folder, proficient with distinction options, and then you would see this making connections synthesis through mind mapping. Add that and just hit attach, and then it becomes an attached file for everyone. So we would have a series of different things, how to use WeVideo to create an audio recording that shows you thinking about how you would take the next steps to learn more deeply. I don't know how we would make it up, but we would make a series of those. So that would be the process, that we would let the faculty know that up in resources, in the groups, and in this LSSU faculty, there would be a folder that says something like this. Whoops, sorry. Proficient with distinction options. And then we would make 5 or 6 of those. And then we would demonstrate on Thursday with the teachers how, through an assignment that they would do for us in that course, we'd get to the attaching one of these. So again, just kind of sharing this process with you because I want to make sure I'm on track with what we're all thinking about before we go ahead and build some more of these.